New York, and welcome to Metal. Along with Tom Pritchard, I'm Kevin Kelly. Stone Cold Steve Austin and Triple H now hold all the gold and all the power that comes with it. Essa Rios kicking us off here in the hour.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, from Guadalajara, Mexico, weighing 215 pounds, Essa Rios.
The game in the Rattlesnake took out the Brothers of Destruction last Monday, but would have to pay come SmackDown, Kevin.
Essa Rios kicking off this hour of Metal. Tom, Backlash is in the books, and now we're all left to speculate what is going to happen next. Triple H and Stone Cold Steve Austin have all the gold.
Well, Kevin, the two-man power trip appear to be in complete power, absolute power, if you will, and you gotta wonder which superstars are next on the hit list.
246 pounds, Al Snow.
Boy, it's great to see Al Snow back in the World Wrestling Federation. See Al Snow there wearing a Tumbledown shirt. Al is one of the trainers on that upcoming show. And we'll see what Al Snow can do with Essa Rios, who has been on one heck of a roll as of late here on Metal.
Pretty even matchup, and Al Snow looks like he's fired up, back in charge with head.
Boy, talk about being in charge. Stone Cold Steve Austin and Triple H certainly are in charge. The two-man power trip became tag team champions at Backlash. But the week involving Stone Cold and Triple H, as well as The Undertaker and Kane, just really began with Backlash. We will show you all the highlights of Raw and SmackDown later in the hour. Well, Tom, is Essa Rios intimidated by head, or was Essa going to actually pick up head there?
Looks like Essa wanted to get head from Al Snow.
Well, Al Snow, the question will be asked this Tuesday, how many Al Snow jokes can you cram into one book? Foley is good, and How the Real World is Faker Than Wrestling is in bookstores everywhere this Tuesday. We invite you to check out what's certain to be another bestseller from Mick Foley.
Obviously, the former commissioner has a lot of Al Snokes in there, but right now, Essa Rios is not joking around.
I wonder what Mick means by "and how the real world is faker than wrestling."
I don't know. I'd have to pick up the book to see.
Al Snow picking up Essa Rios and sending the former light heavyweight champion across. Al Snow, wait a minute, missed with the clothesline.
Nice.
Boy, just catches Essa there on the ropes, and Essa Rios now with a new light heavyweight champion to ponder. Jerry Lynn, victorious last Sunday, and we'll see Jerry Lynn later on in the hour, Tom.
Very impressive debut by Jerry Lynn, and right now Essa Rios trying to impress Al Snow.
Essa going to the top, so artistic. Look at this maneuver.
Beautiful wrist action by Essa Rios.
Nice drop kick, and Essa Rios sends Al Snow out to the floor.
Talk about another another champion, Matt Hardy, the European champion, successfully defending this past week as well.
And wait a minute now. Essa, high risk. Oh, he pays for it. Face first to the retaining wall. Man, oh man, Essa's in trouble.
I think Al Snow was playing an possum out there.
Boy, Matt Hardy certainly looked to be in trouble last Sunday at Backlash. A lot of involvement from outside forces. Oh! Leg drop over the top. Here is a cover. Referee Jim Corderas gets to 2. Essa kicks out. Tom, a little bit surprising Thursday on SmackDown. A unique 2-on-3 match saw Matt Hardy in a world of trouble when all of a sudden Eddie Guerrero came down and we thought was going to get in the business on a bad way for Matt Hardy. But instead, Eddie Guerrero clocked Edge. What do you think is going through the mind of Latino Heat?
Well, again, Eddie Guerrero has been through a roller coaster these last few months here in the World Wrestling Federation, and I don't know what exactly is going through the head of Eddie Guerrero, but again, helping Matt Hardy retain the European Championship is puzzling to everyone.
Maybe we'll hear Matt's thoughts in an exclusive a little bit later on here in Slam Jam. Essa Rios tries to send Al Snow corner to corner instead. Al slides through and now has Essa up and down. Great agility. Essa Rios up on the top. Perhaps going to try a victory roll. Al Snow trying to find an escape. It does. Powerbomb. This should do it. No, sir. Essa Rios kicks out.
Counter after counter, Al Snow and Essa Rios very evenly matched.
A little bit later on here in the hour, we'll show you highlights of how Chris Jericho was forced to take on the hardcore champion Rhino. Chris Jericho still in Commissioner William Regal's doghouse, and I'm sure it didn't end with what went down on Raw, especially following the Duchess of Queensberry rules match as well.
Whoa!
Talk about that a little bit later on. Backdrop has Al Snow in some trouble.
S.A. Rios with determination in his eyes now, picking up Al Snow.
Very physical contest. S.A. Rios pounding away. What is S.A. doing now? Uh-oh, look at this! Wow! What is S.A. Rios doing? Risking life and limb for a Hurricane Rana, which he scores with. And now Al Snow once again launched to the floor. What a battle this has been.
I don't know if Al's playing possum again, but S.A. Rios looks to be setting up outside.
What is S.A. Rios contemplating here? Look at talk about high risk.
Both men have been feeling this battle. I don't know who got the worst of that one.
Well, it looks to be Al Snow. His eyes rolled skyward. And now, can S.A. Rios capitalize? S.A. Rios has been victorious several weeks in a row here on Metal, but I think a victory here over Al Snow would be considered somewhat of an upset.
Al Snow is versed in so many wrestling styles, but again, S.A. Rios hits you from the air, hits you from the ground, and Al Snow is feeling it.
Well, here is a cover attempt. Is it enough? No, sir. It took S.A. Rios too long to follow up after the missile drop kick. S.A. Rios first to his feet. Backs Al Snow to the corner.
Nice slide.
Al Snow with a unique escape attempt there. Follows up. Here is a cover from Al Snow. And another near fall scored.
Man.
What a week it was here in the World Wrestling Federation. Backlash off the charts as far as intensity. And we're already gearing up for Judgment Day. We'll talk about that a little bit later on here in the hour. Al Snow, is he going to get head involved in this match? Wait a minute. Maybe Al Snow doesn't need head because he's got the snowplow. The leg is hooked and this one is over.
What does everybody want? Here is your winner, Al Snow.
Al Snow looking good this week.
Al Snow is always claimed he hears voices from head. Those voices now could be saying, hey Al, you done good.
What does everybody want?
Al Snow and a victory. Great way to kick off this hour of Metal. Let's visit Slam.